Welcome to this Santander Consumer Finance tutorial explaining how to use iClick, our digital agreement platform from OneSpan. iClick enables customers to complete their application for finance entirely digitally in the dealership, helping you deliver a great customer experience. In this scenario, the customer is being assisted by you, the dealer. The process starts with the customer who wishes to apply for finance to fund the purchase of a vehicle. The iClick process begins once you have proposed the agreement in the Santander online system and clicked Funding Online. This will launch the digital agreement process. The first step is to confirm that you have provided all pre-contract information documents to the customer and that they fully understand the information. The documents given to the customer include the standard European Consumer Credit Information document, explanation document, use of information document, and affordability notice. All documents are available to be printed as PDFs from this page. You must tick all 5 confirmation boxes to proceed. You are about to hand over control to the customer. You must not click on behalf of the customer. Doing so would be a criminal offence. You will need to confirm that you have read this warning before handing over control. The customer must now confirm that they are in control of the device. The customer clicks Customer Confirm to continue. All steps in the iClick process are tracked using digital audit trails. Should a customer challenge that they did not apply for finance, did not receive the correct documentation, or did not agree to the finance product type, Santander Consumer Finance can use digital audit trails to evidence that the customer's identity was verified and that they accepted the finance agreement via this iClick process. The next step in the journey is the customer verification process. Knowledge-based security checks are used to verify that the customer is genuinely the person they say they are. The specific questions shown are determined by the information held on the customer in the customer's credit portfolio. The customer must answer at least 3 out of 4 questions correctly to proceed. On proceeding, the customer must confirm that they have read and understood the pre-contract information given to them earlier in the process. It is important that the customer understands their obligations under the terms of the proposed agreement. The customer can print the documents at this stage and has the right to take the printed documents away with them and return to the process later. By clicking I accept, the customer confirms positively that they have read the information and are happy to proceed. The next step is the agreement signing page. The customer is asked to read through the agreement and click to sign where necessary. The customer must read through the document and click to sign at each appropriate point. They cannot proceed until they have filled out all the necessary signature blocks. Once the customer clicks I accept at the bottom of the agreement, they are presented with a pop-up which gives them one last chance to indicate whether they intend to be bound by the terms and conditions of the agreement. If the customer clicks close, then they are taken back to the agreement so that they can review the document again. Once the customer clicks I accept in the pop-up, the agreement becomes legally binding. Once the customer has signed the agreement, they are asked to hand the device back to you. Fill out your name so that the system captures the person who acted on behalf of the dealership. At this stage, you can also print out the fully signed agreement document and hand it to the customer for them to keep. The system also stores the signed agreement digitally so that it can be downloaded at any time. The final stage is the dealer declaration process. Please read through the declaration document. Once you're ready to sign, please click to sign in the place indicated. You cannot proceed to fund without signing the declaration. Clicking Proceed to Fund finalises the agreement process and redirects you back to the Santander Consumer Online system. The finance agreement process is now complete and the payout process can begin. Agreement automation is just one of the ways in which Santander Consumer Finance are digitising financial services for our customers. To find out more, please speak with your Business Development Manager.